Tagalog. Okay, how many of you are foreigners? Could you please raise your hand? How many are foreigners? We have Faith Momo from Papua New Guinea. We have... Foreigner ka ba? Si Dan from Cambodia. Isaac Trong from Vietnam. We have Jesse Steven from Papua New Guinea. You can put down your hand if you... And then we have Emmanuel Bakur from Ghana, Africa. We have Benjamin Pei from Myanmar. We have Blaise Pascal